welcome back to the channel. So today I am discovering and just going down this journey of old school country music, the greats who really laid the foundation of what we know as country music. Of course, it has changed a little bit over the time, but I really wanted to start from the beginning to get a better understanding of the sound, the music, who inspired some of our favorite country music singers. And today I am going on a journey of listening to Roy Acuff. So earlier this week I did Bob Wills and his Texas Playboys, and last week I did the Carter Family and Jimmy Rogers. So all month long I will be on this journey. It looks like I'm gonna be on this journey a little bit longer than a month, so a lot of the content will be on Patreon as well, including the country music documentary from Ken Burns. So check us out there, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Speckled, great speckled bird.
Beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. With all the other birds flocking round her, she is so despised by the squaws. The great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the great Church of God. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book, for I want to be one never fearing the face of my Savior's true love. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds as he rides in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird.
So this is definitely church credit. I think we gained some church credit for this week. I thought this was beautiful. This sounds like something that my grandma would enjoy. And I just love the simplicity of it. So this is beautiful. You can obviously hear the gospel influence. And I would love to hear your thoughts about this song as well. Did you sing this in church? Where did you first hear Roy Acuff? And did I pronounce that right? Roy Acuff. And how did it make you feel? So this music is music for the heart. I believe, and music for the soul. So leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!